Okay. What?
What are you waiting for?
Most of them.
Huh?
Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon. Good afternoon, man.
So this is Sharon. You-
Oh, Sharon. Okay. You
Good
sounded like your
afternoon, sir.
mom. All right. Good afternoon. What's up?
Oh, she doesn't want to meet you, sir.
Oh, okay. 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 All right.
Well, so am I going to do it like the car one?
Test it now. Test it. Test the function you just created. Just the same way you did the other ones. Either you create an empty list. You know how to create an empty list. Can create an empty list and just append, or create a list that has stuff in it and then append. Or call the function that you just created. That's what I meant by append. You have to create a list first.
Or should I make the list?
Anything you want. It's your choice. Anything you want. You're free to name it.
Should I make it empty?
You can leave it empty since we're appending things to it. So it's not as if it must have something inside it. It can be empty. So now call the function that you just created. I think you're about to mess up the spelling now. Okay. So you need to supply your arguments. Append, followed by the things you want to append. And I think you should make them strings. That will be the safest thing for you to use to test.
But what should I put after the append?
The things you want to append now. Object 1, object 2, object 3. What should stand in those places? No, I didn't say you should put object 1. No. I said, what do you want to put that will enter object 1? You understand? Anything that you
Well,
put there now will fall in place with object 1, comma. Anything you put after the next comma will fall in place with object 2. And finally, anything you put after the third comma will fall in place with object 3. But make it a string, because if you don't put it in quotation marks, Python will think it's a real object and start looking for where you defined it. So so make it a string, so we'll know that it's a string object.
my brother's laptop is broken out.
It's only one now. You have to put 3. Make it
No,
3
no,
now.
no,
You can't.
my brother's mouse is broken out. I need to fix it.
His mouse is
Okay.
acting up. Is it
Yeah.
the trackpad or the external mouse that you're using?
So I don't know what that means.
The one that's on the laptop, the one that's just under the keyboard, is that the one you are using, or are you using an external as in a separate mouse?
I'm not using a separate mouse. My brother does not like when he uses separate mouse.
Okay. So the thing now is that if that one is acting up, that's maybe a better solution. I've used a laptop like this where the trackpad is acting up. Sometimes
Wait, wait.
trackpad
Can I go get the mouse?
misbehave.
Can I go get a mouse? Can I go get a
If you
mouse?
have a mouse, fine. But if you don't, then you have to.
I'm coming.
Is the laptop charging? Please check if it's
Yes, I.
charging so that it
Yeah, it's
doesn't
charging.
go.
It's charging.
Okay, all right.
I'm only paid for this class. I should use the normal mouse.
Okay, you can't find an external mouse to use.
Oh, yeah, I think so.
Okay, all right, go ahead now, manage it.
Can I press enter?
Okay, yeah, you can.
Is that how it's meant to work?
Yes, I said you can. Go ahead and press enter.
Yes, I said it's how it's meant to work, sir.
Oh, okay, okay, yes, yes. I didn't see the output when you were asking me. Yes, that's how it's meant to be
Sir,
because
wait, sir, you told me to do multiple remove. Sir, we've already done that.
okay, okay, so if you have done remove, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay,
It's
you
here.
can skip that one and do the next one.
Multi insect, multiple insects. But I forgot to put it there.
You have to put a therefore because you have to define it first. What happened?
Oh.
You forgot the argument list,
Mm-hmm.
or rather the parameter list, sorry. You know, at that point, it's called a parameter list. At the point of definition, it's called a parameter list, but at the point of calling it, it's called an argument list.
Okay, sir.
Yes.
List one dot insert object one. Then you copy and paste it. Only one,
You
two.
understand? Do you remember how to call insert method?
Yes.
Do you remember?
Me.
You don't remember. When you're calling the insert method, the first argument is usually the position where you want to put the object, comma, the object. Do you remember it now?
Yes, sir.
So insert is not just insert object one, no. It has to be insert, then something, comma, object one.
Okay, sir.
So what do you think that N1, N2, and N3 are for? What do you think they are for?
Mm. But they are for
Read the description, read the question again so that you will get a better understanding. Especially the
okay.
hint. Look at the hint.
This one will insert more than two strings or integers and result print the resulting list. You can call insert on the list to insert the first object 1. Use the position N1 and continue calling insert on different lines until you have inserted all the object 2 in N2, object 3
Mhm,
in N3. Okay.
mhm. So that N1 is the position. So when you call that insert the first time, you shouldn't have only object one inside. You should have N1, comma, object one. Do you understand?
N1 starts first.
Yes, now. N1 is the first one. N1, comma, object one. N2, comma, object two, and so on and so forth.
I copy.
You've not changed the object to object two.
Yes, I'll change it, but I'll change it when I'm done. Oi, oi, oi. Okay. Hmm? Take it out. Then print list. After this, Put another list.
Okay. So you have already defined the list in the program. So
Oh,
it will still
okay.
well, you already have a list now, so you can use that list. It's still okay. You have an append list, right? So you
Yes, sir.
can call multiple inserts and still use that append list, and then choose the positions that you want things to be in. So if you notice, there are 3 positions currently in the array. There is position 0, there's position 1, and there's position 2, right?
Yes, sir. Register boys. Okay, okay.
Simeon, do you understand?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So you can put something. What did you say?
I said yes, sir.
Okay.
So what should I put? Wait, what did I put as?
Okay, go ahead.
Um,
It's your choice. You put football, God, and family. So anything you want to put in the list, specify the position you want to put it.
so it's if I put friends, what should I put like position 2? Sir, sir.
If you put what?
If I put friends, what should I put after that?
I didn't hear what you said. What did you say? If you put what?
No, if I put friends, what should I put after that?
Uh, a number.
But like, should I make a space then I put the number?
Okay, no, 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 no. It's fine. So you have okay. You put friends. Okay. So put your comma and put the number. So which position do you want
I
to
have to
put
do one
friends?
out of two. One out of two. I can hear you now.
I
Huh?
didn't hear what you said. What did you say?
So yes.
Okay,
Okay,
so
okay.
where do you no just decide where do you want to put? Do you want to put friends between football and God or between God and family? Which one?
God and family.
Okay, so if you want to put it between God and family, then that means you are trying to insert it into position 2 because family is position 2. So you want friends to come just before family. Do you understand?
So,
So you can put 2 there. Just put the number 2. You don't need, it's not a string. Comma, you put the next object you want to insert.
then I put another thing out to insert.
Yes. It's requiring you to put 3 things, to insert 3 things. So you can go ahead and put another thing there. Now, I want you to, as you're doing this, take note that once you put friends in position 2, I hope you know that it now means that at that point, you now have football, God, friends, and family in
Yes,
the
sir.
this thing. So that means you now have a new position. you now have something in position 3. So once you have that idea, it can determine the rest of what you want to do for the remaining ones.
Okay, what should I put? Uh, mm, what should I put up this?
Okay, then the final one and its position.
Mm, nuclear.
Okay.
Okay, sir.
All right. So close your argument list and hit enter so you can run the function. Okay. So
It worked. It worked.
so you can see it put the things in the positions that you asked it to put. So now if you
Yes, sir.
notice, friends looks as if it's in position 0, 1, 2, 3. It looks like it's in position 3. That's because future came to the front and shifted it backwards, right?
Yes, sir.
Uh-huh. While the other ones too, and that future that came to the front at position 1 shifted everything backwards. You can see God was in position 1. It now moved to position 2. Friends was in position 2. It now moved to position 3. And then life was in position 3. It was now moved to position 4. And finally, family that was in position 4 is now in position 5. Okay. All right. Um, let's see. Okay, so you're done with that. All right. So can you call the sort function on it quickly? You remember how to call the sort method, right?
Oh, sir, can I go to toilet, please?
Okay. Okay, so I said, can you call the sort method? Let's arrange this, arrange it in, you know, no, I didn't say you should create another function. Just call the sort method that we learned last week on the append list that you created. Let's see, let's arrange it in ascending order.
So I put multiple inserts.
No,
So do I just put what do I put for the sort this thing? Do I put like
you have
sort
forgotten.
dots?
Look at it. Look at how you did it in the last class now. Just do the same thing. The name of the
Oh,
list sort. Then you now print it to see how it looks.
do I put
No, don't.
append?
No, not append. The name of the. Of course, now you called it append. So you don't need to print yet. First call sort on the list. Then you now print.
What the
You understand? Don't print it
yes,
yet.
sir.
You're still printing.
So isn't that all meant to do it?
No. Don't print. You remember when we printed that last week, it showed us none. So we said you have to call the sort method first before you print. Do you understand?
Okay, sir.
Then you can now call print on append alone.
Ewa,
Okay, so
Ewa,
did you
sir.
notice that all the ones that started with capital letter F came before the one that
Oh,
started with
yes.
small
I was
letter?
confused
All the
why.
ones,
I was
yes.
confused why football was after God. Then I realized that it's not a
So it's what remember I explained it in the last class that in Python and in fact all programming languages have this what they call a character set, and they assign numbers to letters to help us to be able to arrange them either ascending or descending order. So you can see clearly that capital letters have a lower character value than small letters. If not, there's no way small letter will come after capital letter. So that's just the way it is in programming. Well, will it be changed in future? We don't know. But for now, that's how it is. All capital letters have a lower value. So what you just saw now is arrangement in what? Ascending order. So I want you to do one more example for ascending order so that you will just see it from a different angle. So let's create a list of numbers. Just you know how you created a list. Just create another list now. You can call it something else instead of append. You can call it anything, num list, anything. But it's a list of numbers, not strings, oh, numbers. Where is your square bracket? Uh-huh. So you put the numbers inside the square bracket. Yes. You're already arranging it now. Just come up with different numbers in a scattered order so that it will help you arrange it. Okay. All right. Okay, that's fine. Okay. Okay, all right. So call sort on numbers. Let's see how it will arrange it for us. What did it say? Leading zeros in decimal are not permitted. So I don't even know why you put leading zero there. I guess you mistakenly typed zero there.
I'm trying to do from 1 to 9.
Okay. Okay. All right. What did it say? You had two
Oh,
commas there. Okay, so take it out. Don't forget to take out the leading zero. You forgot.
uh,
Now, don't forget to take out your comma. Uh-huh. Okay. All right, good. Now eh, okay, now call sort on it. Numbers dot sort. Okay. Then print it. Let's see how it looks when it's sorted.
mm, it worked.
Okay, it worked. It arranged it in ascending order, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, now let's see how we can do this in descending order. So let me see. So look at what do you call it? Uh, uh the sort method. But this time I want you to use the okay, let me just send it to you in the chat box.
What is this one?
Let me put it in the chat box. So this is what you are
But I
going
need
to
to.
do.
I don't know. But I'm coming. I don't know what this is. That's the
Close it
sentence.
now. Just close it.
Um,
So I'm sending something for you to test in the chat box. Numbers dot. Okay. Now what I'm sending to you now. You are going to call it after what do you call it? You're going to call it after you have to redeclare numbers, okay? So that what we want to do is to see it in descending order. Have you seen what I sent to you in the chat box? You can
Yes, sir.
minimize this WhatsApp
Damn.
so that you can see the rest of the.
And to start.
Have you seen what I sent?
Yes, sir. Don't stop spamming random numbers. Oh, that's dot, not a comma.
Uh-huh. You can still use the same, just scatter it. Remember to, yes. But this time we want to arrange it in, don't forget your 2 commas though. Take care of those 2 commas before it will mess you up. Okay. Okay. You have 2 squares. Oh. You need to delete one of them. You delete that one that is inside after 69. Yes. There is a comma that doesn't have anything after it at the end. Okay, so you can now you can now put what I sent to you.
Sigma boy. Karma. Oh, work.
So what did you notice?
Instead of starting from the lowest number, it started from the biggest number.
Uh-huh.
So
Okay.
going descending instead of ascending.
Okay. 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 Okay, that's fine. All right. Let's do the same thing. Can you do the same thing for append? You know append is a list of strings. So can you do the same thing for it? You don't need to redeclare, just call it. Call append.sort reverse true. Why did you go to that side now? You've forgotten that you moved your work to the left-hand side.
Oh,
Okay.
yeah, it worked.
So that is what order? Descending order, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Mm-hmm.
So do you have any questions on this?
Um, actually, yeah, no.
Okay. So I'm going to let me see. I'll send you 2 questions for homework before Tuesday so that you can work on them before
I'm at
Tuesday.
well, I'm going to school on Tuesday. So I start with 25
You said school is resuming when?
Tuesday.
You guys are resuming when?
Tuesday. Tuesday.
Okay, that Tuesday. Okay. Okay, all right.
Just coming up Tuesday. Okay, sir.
All right. Okay. All right.
What should I
So you
call
don't
the
have
file?
any questions, right?
Yeah, no questions, sir.
Um,
So,
it's
is it
homework,
more 30?
but then you can. I think it's homework 30. This is not homework 30. Oh. This one was 29.
Okay, okay.
This one already has a name now. Where is the other one?
This this is the other one.
The
Oh,
one
okay,
that
that's
you
the one.
just saved now. That's the
So,
one you should be
that's a
saving.
mistake.
Uh-huh.
That's a mistake. I don't know why I keep going to the wrong file.
I thought you said that your laptop is back now.
Yeah, it's back. I'm just trying to figure out everything. I need to install the same Python stuff
Okay.
as we do for my brother's laptop. So probably by next class, I'll start using it again.
Okay. So this one is homework 30. You can just say list methods. List functions. Uh, Custom list functions. Custom list functions. You know why I said custom, right? Because it's you that created
Yes,
the
I.
function. Uh-huh. But we're sending in lists to it. Custom list functions. You've already, it's closed. Okay. So Tuesday by 5, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
That'll be my first day of high school.
Oh, that's interesting. That was good. Congratulations. Are you throwing a party?
I don't know yet.
You don't need to throw a party yet, though. You throw a party when you finish. Okay. All right now. So
Okay.
enjoy the rest of your day.
Yes, sir. Bye, sir. Have a
All
good
right.
day.
Yeah, you too.